largest manufacturing company in Asia.
I see.
And they're located somewhere in the area of the MILF in Simway, Maguindanao del Norte.
Simway. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
So, pero ang makuha lang namin buhat sa kanila, ma'am, is yung lease
That's
ng
right.
lupa
You're,
ng
you're just
SPDA.
collecting rent.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. So, you mentioned earlier the plan to convert into a special economic zone. Do you believe that that would be helpful?
Yes, ma'am. So
If
that
you
we
suddenly
can,
created a Southern Mindanao economic zone instead of the state you're in now as a GOCC?
well, because we have been in close contact, ma'am. We have been in close contact, Madam Chair, with the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao because they're also interested to get involved, especially so because two of the entities that they are interested to participate in or even acquire, like Amana Islamic Bank. In the
Right.
case of SPDA, they want to either buy or they want they want to either participate in its operation or even buy.
Why is the
SPDA.
Amana Bank SPDA?
No, it is an independent
That's
financial
right. It's
institution.
another
Yeah.
facility. So
But it is provided, ma'am, in the peace agreement.
that's right. So BARM should take over Amana.
Yes, ma'am. They are now in the process of talking on how to
What
go
does
about.
it have to do with SPDA?
Well, they just what is this? Agreed with the Philippine government, and it is provided in the peace agreement.
No, but is there any? There's no mention of SPDA in the peace agreement, is there?
There is, ma'am.
What does it?
There is,
It's yes, in the organic law, in the Bangsamoro organic law,
as well as in the organic law, ma'am.
as well as.
As well as in the organic law.
So what is the what is your sense? What should happen? Because it was deactivated and then it was reactivated in 2006, and then the Bangsamoro organic law came about. So what is your vision, or what do you think the SPDA should become? Should it become part and parcel of BARM or an agency of BARM? They certainly have the funds.
On the part of SPDA, ma'am, because it is already in the law, and it was also part of the peace agreement between the government and the MILF. We are certainly awaiting whatever will be the result that will be agreed upon between the Philippine government and the MILF in the Inter-Fiscal Policy Board. They have been discussing about it a couple of years ago, but lately parang sort of nakalimutan nila muna yan because they are more focused on the election and then the postpone. So, yes. So, parang kwan muna, parang nasuspend muna yung discussion nila about how they can acquire Amana Bank or participate in the operation of Southern Philippines Development Authority.
But having run the SPDA for a couple of years now, what do you think should be the status of SPDA? Clearly, it shouldn't be a GOCC because that's not the intent. If the intention is to encourage economic development in Southern Mindanao, what should SPDA be? Obviously, it needs a law, but we're here to assist, and we need your insight.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, I will be happier, certainly, Madam Chair, Mr. Chairman, if SPDA remains as the entity that it was as originally created, no? So that we have more flexibility in getting involved in the socio-economic development of our marginalized sectors and even in the rehabilitation of the MNLF elements and MILF elements. Unfortunately, these days, we have not been tapped in that aspect of development. It's unlike before. Unlike before, during the time of your late father, and even during the time of President Fidel V. Ramos, SPDA was in the front line of some developmental projects in Mindanao, including, but not limited to, the barter trading business ventures in Mindanao.
Well,
Pero
sayang
ngayon, ma'am,
nga.
wala na kami roon eh. Parang di na kami tinatap nila eh.
Bakit wala na kayo sa barter trade? Mahina na yung barter trade
Mahina
sa
na, ma'am.
Zamboanga.
Mahina na. Oh.
Hindi na katulad dati. Ang
Hindi na
saya-saya doon.
katulad dati noon.
At saka, itatanong ko rin, kasali ba kayo sa BIMP Iaga?
I attended one or two meetings of the BIMP Yaga, and during one of the meetings, I was requesting the member of the board of the BIMP Yaga, sabi ko sa kanila, isali naman ninyo ang SPDA riyan.
Kaya nga, di ba?
Para sabi ko, pag may mga usapan ukol sa mga negosyo, baka sabi ko pwede kami makakuha ng mga investors
That's
so
right.
that we can get more capitalists to do some business in other parts of Mindanao.
Correct.
After all, the coverage of SPDA is not only the BARM, but it's really the entire of Mindanao.
Well, Southern Mindanao.
Yes,
That's
Southern
right.
Mindanao.
And do you have any
Southern Philippines, yeah.
Southern Philippines actually? Totoo, all of Mindanao. Paano yung yung Zamboanga Eco Zone? May Eco Zone na sa Zamboanga, but it's not very successful. Nagiring tayo kahapon. May halal din sila, pero wala nga kumikita dun eh.
May I say something about that, ma'am?
Oh.
I'm interested in that because that is one of the economic venture that we are now getting into. Zamboanga Economic Zone is an independent economic zone, ma'am.
Yes.
It is not under PEZA.
No.
It was authored by the late Congresswoman Maria Clara Lobregat,
Yes.
the mother of Celso
Correct.
Lobregat, no? So she wanted it really as independent economic
Yes.
and free port. Now, the reason why they are into halal, because currently they have the ASEAN Halal Hub Center,
Yes.
where there are 14 buildings, ma'am, nakatenga lang, walang occupier,
Pero wala namang
walang locators, ma'am.
operation. Walang
And the reason
operation,
they
walang
have that
locator.
ASEAN Halal Hub Center, because during the time of President Duterte, when he made his first official visit to Malaysia, nag-side trip siya sa Brunei. When he made a side trip to Brunei, nag-commit ang Sultan ng Brunei, if I remember it right, either $6 million or $60 million ba yan?
Tama. That's
Yes, to purposely establish a halal hub center in the Philippines. And in the Philippines, it was identified as in the economic zone of Zamboanga. And maybe that is the reason why the Zamboanga Economic Zone came up with that ASEAN Halal Hub Center, supposedly to invite investors.
wala namang pumasok hanggang ngayon.
Maybe they need more, more marketing and promotion of their
And what
Halal Hub
about
Center.
you? You're also proposing 435 million for a halal center to source raw materials, corn and soya from Muslim farming communities
Yeah, that
in
is the reason.
coordination with BARM, di ba?
Yes,
Parang
ma'am. Yes,
gano'n
ma'am.
nabasa ko.
After I visited the Zamboanga's economic zone, and then I found out that they have this ASEAN Halal Hub Center, and knowing fully well that we do not have a 100% halal foods in the Philippines, especially even in the poultry business, because of our partnership with San Miguel Corporation, I learned it from them that some of the ingredients that they use for the feeds of the chicken,
It's
ma'am,
non-halal.
may mga kahalo talaga, ma'am, hindi halal.
Tama. Ang problema rin ng halal, iba-iba yung certification.
Now, kaya ma'am, naisip ko na
Problema rin siya eh.
mag-venture kami sa halal feeds. Because if you want to have halal chicken, the first thing that we must do is to have a halal feeds.
That's right.
And among the Muslim communities, ma'am, walang manufacturer na may mga Muslim. All the manufacturers and factories are owned by non-Muslims. And why do they care sometimes so much about halal when they can sell their products
That's right.
even if it is not 100 halal? So kaya sabi ko, SPDA should go into the halal food industry. Number one, because it is a multi-trillion
It's
industry in the world, no?
It's huge. And
Even countries like Thailand, Australia, they are getting into the halal industry because it's really good also for business.
And the Muslim Filipinos are so disadvantaged. They have to pay 30% to 300% more for halal in the Philippines.
Yes, ma'am.
Ang mahal-mahal.
So,
Tapos
so-
hindi pa 100%.
yes, ma'am. So we thought, ma'am, that if we can produce the feeds, the halal feeds, ma'am, that will become the beginning of a national halal transition. And since there has been
Will you be able to synergize with the Zamboanga Ecozone?
Yes, ma'am. In
They will
fact,
work, you can work together?
yes, ma'am. We have been in constant touch with them, and they are very open and very cooperative because we assure them that the moment our halal venture in the economic zone will be in full swing, we will help invite Muslim investors to come into the ASEAN Halal Hub Center.
So that's good. So the Malaysians will be interested, do you think?
I think so, ma'am.
But you will
Because
not duplicate the Zamboanga Ecozone.
no, they will really come in, not duplicate. They will come in as investors.
But are they going, are you going to embark on a new project with the SPDA, or will you just use the facilities of Zamboanga Ecozone?
Well, it is fortunate that when we have a discussion with the Zamboanga Economic Zone and Freeport, meron pala roon parang kung dating feed mill nagpo-produce ng feeds para sa San Miguel Corporation for their poultry and broiler operation in Zamboanga Peninsula. Pero nag-withdraw kasi ang San Miguel Corporation from Zamboanga Peninsula, and they locate into Digos, Davao del Sur, doon ang pinakamalaking poultry ngayon ng San Miguel Corporation. And because of that, nag-stop ng feed production itong kumpanya na ito. Binili yan ng SPDA, binili namin, ma'am, para magamit namin sa paggawa ng halal feeds para sa chicken at saka para sa aquaculture. Because even in the aquaculture feeds industry, meron ding kahalo na hindi halal, ma'am. Yan ang nalaman ko. Kaya sabi ko, it's an obligation on my part as a Muslim to as much as possible produce a 100% halal feeds.
And so you have several other projects, yung Coronadal Business Center, Veterans Avenue property in Sambo City. What's the intent? Are you achieving your sales targets? Kasi yung Coronadal Business Center, ang hina yata according to COA.
Yes, ma'am.
Nasa 9% lang.
Ang problema kasi, ma'am, sa Coronadal ay ganito. When I was appointed and when I knew that our building in Coronadal was constructed in a lot that does not belong to us. So sabi ko, bilhin natin ang lote na yan para sa atin na sabi ko ang lote. Kasi yung mga building ng SPDA niyan doon sa Coronadal, ma'am, ay ginagamit noon para sa seminar ng mga MNLF returnees. Ganun yun eh. So after all those trainings completed, wala nang mga rebel returnees, so na-convert na yan into parang sort of traveler's inn or hotel. So because of that, we want to buy the land from the Department of Finance, the PMO, Privatization Management Office. Pero originally, ibenta nila. Pero later, when the new administration came in, with Secretary Recto as the Secretary of Finance, ayaw na nila ibenta, ma'am. We already set aside money. 16 million ang halaga noon sa amin. No. Kay Dominguez pala. Tapos, ayaw na nila ibenta ngayon. Binenta nila magkano yun?
90 million.
From 16 to 90 million.
11 to 90.
19 million. Oo. 90, yeah, 90 million. So because of that, we cannot fully develop the Coronadal area, ma'am. Kasi sabi ko, i-develop natin ang pagkatapos ang lupa ay hindi naman sa atin.
Hindi naman
Ayaw ibenta naman sa atin. So sabi ko, parang kwan tayo, dehado tayo. But you know, the problem is we are the one paying the real property tax on that property annually. Despite it is still owned.
There's a proposal
ano?
for 50 million.
Yes, ma'am.
Paano yun? Since hindi pa ninyo maayos yung titulo.
Sana kung mabigyan kami, ma'am, ng Kongreso, bibilin na namin talaga yon para ma-develop namin yan into a full-fledged hotel and tourism development project.
I see.
Because it's really ideally located in Coronadal.
In Coronadal.
Yeah, katabi noon ay ang provincial capital ng South Cotabato.
Okay. Ganon din yung Veterans Avenue property in Zamboanga City. Yung lote, inyo ba yun?
Ang sa Zamboanga City, ma'am, ay sa amin din ang lote noon. So we already erected. There used to be a wooden building there before. So sabi ko, magpagawa tayo ng bagong building. So nagpagawa kami ng bagong building doon, ma'am.
Yeah, I think there's 1.8 million appropriation for a new building.